Want to chat one-on-one on TikTok? We will show you exactly how to send private messages in no time. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to send private messages on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. You can send private messages to the people who follow you or those you follow back. Here's how to start. First, tap on the message icon. Then on the magnifying glass at the top right. Search for the person username and tap on it. Once on their profile, you are ready to message them. Now type your message in the text box at the bottom. Once you are happy with your message, tap the send button to send it. So this is how to send private messages on TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.